Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's following Campaign Finance Money tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to use the Committee Expenditures for Ballot Measures search. Starting from mec.mo.gov, scroll to the bottom of the Commission's homepage where you will find a box labeled Searches. The Committee Expenditures for Ballot Measures by Election search allows you to learn more about the money spent by a continuing committee, otherwise known as a Political Action Committee or PAC, to support or oppose a ballot measure. First, select a year from the drop-down menu. Then, continue to the next step where you will select an election date. A list of expenditures made by PACs to support or oppose various ballot measures during the selected election will automatically appear. The list displays the MEC ID and name of the committee reporting the expenditure, the report on which the expenditure was disclosed, the ballot measure supported or opposed, the election date, whether the measure was supported or opposed by the PAC, and the amount of the expenditure. To view information about a PAC, including publicly available campaign finance disclosure reports, click on the committee's MEC ID. This concludes our Committee Expenditures for Ballot Measures search tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 7, where we will demonstrate how to use the Committee Contributions and Expenditures search.